Now, if you're looking for a gift for that special someone in your life that loves the outdoors, but also loves their electronics too, well, you're going to want to watch this video. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at a case from Pelican that not only will it protect your phone, but it also has a built-in wireless charger. This is the Pelican Go G40. Let's check it out. Now, Pelican is known for creating some of the most durable cases on the planet. Let's face it, they are crush-proof, they are waterproof, they are stylish, and they keep all of your electronic gear protected. So in this video, we're going to take a look at this new product. This is the wireless charging waterproof case that has a Qi charger built inside, and it's compatible with a wide variety of phones. So let's check it out.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, there's no mistaking as soon as you see this case that this is a Pelican case, not just because of the brand that you see here, but because of the overall craftsmanship and durability that you're going to get from a Pelican product. You can see here on the side the well-built that these hinges are, giving you some really solid protection. The fact that you have, this durable case, it's going to be crush-proof, it's waterproof, and not only is it waterproof, but it's going to float if you do drop it in a water environment. You do have this hook right here that's going to allow you to hook it to your external backpack if that's something that you'd like to do. And then as we flip this over, you'll notice that it has this little area here which will open it up. This is a pressure valve, so depending on the altitude that you're in, it's going to also release pressure so that your goods don't get damaged inside of this case. Now, as I open it, you can see how secure this is here. What you'll find is you have a nice compartment that has, again, a gasket all the way around here, giving you that waterproof that we saw IP67. And then you have this tray, and as we move this tray out, we're going to go ahead and pop this out. What you're going to find is that this is your wireless charging pad. Now, keep in mind this, that if you don't want to use the wireless charging pad and you just want to use the case for securing goods, you can, right? So you can use it just like this. It's a multi-purpose device. But to me, the incredible value comes from this charging pad. So this charging pad has this little rubberized band here that's going to allow you to secure your phone to the pad itself. Press the button, you see what your fuel gauge is, and then as we rotate around here, one of the things that you're going to see is that you have here again, a USB port and a secondary USB, micro USB, that you can use both to charge and also use this to charge other devices. So this gives you a tremendous amount of flexibility. And now, for those of you who are interested in, again, the specs, you're looking at a capacity of 10,000 milliamp hours, 37 watts. And again, your wireless charging output is of 5 watts. So this is not going to support fast wireless charging, but really this is really designed so that if you put your phone in this case, lock it up, and as you're walking and you're doing hiking or traveling, it's going to charge on the go. Now, next we're going to test the wireless charging. So I'm going to power up the pad, and then I'm going to put this pixel right on top of it. What you'll notice is, as soon as I put the pixel on top of it, it indicates that it's charging. Now, if you are backpacking, if you're hiking, or you're going to secure this, you're going to close this case, what I would recommend is that you use that band to go around it to keep it in place. So we'll go ahead and do that so you can see what it looks like. Now, securing your phone with the band is pretty simple. All you do is remove the band, and then you tuck it just like this. I'm going to tuck it right here on the side, and then that's going to hold it in place. Now, what you'd want to do is just turn off your phone and just leave it in place, because it's going to charge as it's being held in place. You'll put your phone back in the case just like this. You'll close it, and now you're ready to go. You're protecting your device from all the elements. Again, super durable case, and at the same time, it's charging. Now, as this phone is charging, remember, you do have another option, and that is to use this external USB port to charge another device. You also notice how you have this loop or track that's going all the way around here. This is going to give you the ability to carry a USB cable that you can actually secure by just wrapping it around. Now, again, incredibly convenient, incredibly secure, and again, what can you say about Pelican? You just know that it's going to be safe, secure, and now it charges too. So guys, that concludes our review of the Pelican G40 case. This is the Pelican Go wireless charging case with Qi charging capabilities. Let me know what you thought about this product. Is this going to be a good holiday gift? Would love to hear from you.